designing with type is sort of an extension of the black square problem. So if you can remember doing that and the concepts that you apply to it, you're going to do just fine for this. You are creating 6 designs based on these themes. So each design should hint that you understand scale, negative and positive space, pattern, congestion, tension, playful. So each one of these is going to be exhibited in a different design. So the first thing that you do is to go to Canva. This one is going to be called Scale. And I think what I'm going to do here is keep in mind some of the things that we have learned so far. I'm going to choose from this list. Probably just 1 or 2 would be fine. You know, focal point is going to be important in every single one. And then in this one, I'm going to choose Symmetrical Balance. So what I'm going to do is go to Text, and I'm just going to add a heading and type the letter O, because that's a pretty straightforward symmetrical letter. And then I think I'm going to find maybe some sort of Roman style. That might work. Yeah, where it goes thick and thin. And then I'm going to make that slightly bigger. And I think what I'd like to do is for this this one, I'm going to be doing scale. And so I think my idea is going to be have a smaller one in the center and then a bigger one outside, and then add some different colors to it as well. Now what would be really fun is if I could actually make that inside of that text a color. And so I'm going to go ahead and look on elements and see if we have sort of, I guess we could do this. Let's try this. Yeah, I'm going to make this match up on the inside, but I'm going to choose blue for that color. And then I'm going to just reshape it until it fits within there. Just like that. All right, perfect. And then I think actually what I'd like to do first is to get that background taken care of. So let's do, you know what, I think the color, I'd like to have just a black background. So it's not distracting at all, and then the color of the letters is going to matter too. So let's just use some primary colors. Do red for this one, and then again for the background we'll just do black. And then if I want to copy and paste that, hypothetically I should be able to just make a duplicate of it and then make this bigger. And let's see if I can zoom out a little bit more. I don't know if I'm able to. I might have gone outside of the workspace a little bit, and I think that's going to be just fine. And I think for that outer letter, I'll just make it yellow. And I kind of like that design. It's got scale, and it has a little bit of interest. There's kind of a weird tension, I think, that happens with that blue and that red in the center, but it definitely brings the eye to the center of that design. So that is going to work for scale. So I'll download it. Again, probably the best way to do it is to download as a JPEG, and then you can turn that in and submit it on Canva. Canvas, not to be confused with Canva. There you go.